Welcome friends. This video is about observational or social learning theory of Albert Bandura. Here are the key aspects of social learning theory. When an animal's behavior changes in a relatively permanent way as a result of observing another animal's actions, it is termed as observational learning. Family is the smallest unit of society, and as stated by John Dewey, school is the miniature form of society. The immediate social atmosphere that the child experiences is the family atmosphere. Next in the list is the neighboring atmosphere, and later it's the school atmosphere. In these atmospheres, children encounter people. They observe and imitate the people around them, whom they consider as model. Their model could be a parent, teacher, classmate, or an influential person who has done the greatest form of work and has achieved a lot in their field. Observation and imitation leads to learning in students. The adults around children, their behavior influences a lot. Many mannerisms such as greeting, dining, art of playing, sports and games are learnt through observation and imitation. Steps in observational learning. These are the steps in observational learning. First one being acquisition. The learner pays attention to the distinctive, unique features of their model so that they can effectively register the mannerisms. Next, retention. Next is retention. It is a kind of information processing. At this step, the learner tries to internalize the observed features. The learner makes the features as something that is part of them and as a kind of natural tendency in them. Rehearsing helps them in retention. Next, performance. The internal representations are displayed as behavior. This involves motor responses, that is, body language. Last one, consequences. The chance of again displaying such behavior in the form of performance depends on the kind of encouragement, appreciation, meaningful feedback, or other rewards given by the people around them. It could lead to strengthening of the display of behavior or weakening of display of behavior, or improvement by discarding that which does not serve and keeping the behavior that is useful. These are the 4 steps in observational learning: acquisition, retention, performance, and consequences. Here is a brief talk on Albert Bandura's famous experiment. The experiment was conducted in the year 1963, called the Bobo doll behavior, a study of aggression. It was an experimental research. It studied the effect an aggressive model had on children's behavior. Children were divided into 3 groups. First group observed the aggressive model, who would hit the Bobo doll and used bad language towards it. The second group observed non-aggressive model. And the third group was a control group who had no such models to observe. The result was that the children who observed the aggressive model were displaying more aggression compared to the controlled group. It was proved that the models and their behavior influences the behaviors of the children. Thank you for watching.